Alright, boys. Welcome to another Walking with Dinosaurs exhibition special. Tonight we're going to draw Leedsicthys, one of my favorite prehistoric sea creatures from the Late Jurassic. Leedsichthys, or Leedsicthys, one of the biggest fish that has ever lived. This guy travels in shoals. Shoals are what they call pods. Well, pods of huge fish. Alexa, what is the definition for shoal?
As a noun, shoal is usually defined as a place where a sea, river, or other body of water is shallow. As an adjective, shoal is usually defined as of little depth, as water, shallow. As a verb, shoal is usually defined as to become shallow or more shallow. For more, ask me to give you more definitions for shoal.
Now we draw this part here. This is his secondary dorsal fin. Here's the real dorsal fin. There we go. This dinosaur was exclusive on the Walking with Dinosaurs special, Sea Monsters. Sorry about that, I was trying to make the panel bigger. Well, and this guy isn't really from Sea Monsters: A Prehistoric Adventure. He's actually from Chased by Dinosaurs. Plus, this guy has a really interesting soundtrack to listen to. Alexa, play it again. I'll draw this mark here. There we are. Here are the dorsal. Here's the back fin. This is how he glides through the water. There he is. There we are. That takes care of that. Oh, and by the way, this video goes out to the Astro Gallery. For you to have noticed, I have created something as a big inspiration for their gallery. This is the inspiration I wanted to give them, as a reminder that I have a compassion for dinosaurs and other prehistoric life. This is how you draw Leedsichthys. That's all for now, folks. Be on the lookout for more dinosaurs and other prehistoric animals here on my page, on this channel. Stegosaurus, see you later, everyone.